In this lesson, we take a look at plane shapes. Plane shapes are two-dimensional shapes, 2D. They are flat shapes. So if they're two-dimensional, they have a length and a width. Alright, so we're dealing with these shapes have area. They don't have volume, they have an area. Now some typical shapes, we have a square, a triangle, a circle, a rectangle, a pentagon, okay, 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. And these shapes here that I'm going to show you, they're all 4-sided shapes, okay, known as quadrilaterals. This type, a rectangle, if you like, has been pushed over, known as a parallelogram, okay? So you think about a rectangle and pushing it over a bit. This quadrilateral is known as a kite. And this quadrilateral is known as a trapezoid.